我们中西感谢见过一部是将中文我们学校。Thank Dr. Zheng Guai for introducing Chinese language in our school.
Second step to integrate the Chinese language into their national education system.
ngo ibihugu nka Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania na Afrika y'Epfo ni ibintu byafashe urwo rurimi birwinjiza mu burezi bwarwo kuko ari ingirakamaro.
Subscribe kuri iyi channel Ukwezi Kwacu TV, niho video zose zijyanye n'ishuri zigiye kuzijya zinyura. Ukwezi Kwacu TV.
Like diamonds scattered in the night, every shadow turned to gold, a treasure waiting to unfold. Here's a shower of stars, a sky full of dreams, a river of laughter, endless streams. Catch the joy, let it shine so bright. Here's to your blessings, hold them tight. May your path be lined with bloom, a symphony in every room, hearts that hum and eyes that gleam. Life's sweeter than a candy dream. Dance through the days, let the rhythm play. Love is the spark lighting your way. Here's a shower of stars, a sky full of dreams, a river of laughter, endless streams. Catch the joy, let it shine so bright. Here's to your blessings, hold them tight. Raise a glass to the moon above, fill it high with hope and love. Sing it loud. This life we share, a celebration every way.
In the morning, sun shines bright, on all's alright. Classroom holds sweet memories. Now it's time for our leaps. Teachers' words, like stars on high, guided us. Time flew by, friends share fun with me. Those days end, here we be. Hey, yeah. Time runs, can't hold tight. Graduation brings new light. Though sad to say goodbye, let's dance, reach for the sky. Whoa, whoa. Graduation party, dance and play. Beneath stars, sway away, away. Rhythms fine like a soft chime. Make this night a memory to climb. Graduation party, don't be shy. With friends, sway on by. Beat is hot like a fast shot. Make this night a dream we've got. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Evening comes, moon appears. On dance floor, joy steers. Laughter rings like silver bells. Moments made, spells to spells. Schoolyard loves, hearts on fire. Now we move, reach higher. Hopes and dreams take flight. Celebrate this magic night. Whoa. Journey ends, new one starts. This moment always parts. Hearts full of love and care. Dance it out everywhere. Oh yeah. Graduation party, dance and play. Beneath stars, sway away, away. Rhythms fine like a soft chime. Make this night a memory to climb. Graduation party, don't be shy. With friends, sway on by. Beat is hot like a fast shot. Make this night a dream we've got. Hey, keep dancing. Recall tests and projects done. Books we read, now here we're one at this grand event. Let music our souls present. Wherever life may lead, this night shines like a need. Carry cheer, loving hearts always clear. Graduation party, dance and play. Beneath stars, sway away, away. Rhythms
Mwaramutse mwese. Ndashaka kuza kuvuga indimi ebyiri muze kunyihanganira. Ndavuga Ikinyarwanda mvangemo n'icyongereza kubera yuko
dufite abashyitsi bakunda ikinyarwanda muri twebwe. Ndabashuhuje rero mu izina ry'ikigo cya Kigali Infants Academy kuri uyu umunsi mwiza, umunsi wa graduation y'abana bacu ba top class bagiye kujya gutangira icyiciro cya kabiri cya primaire. Icyiciro cya primaire kuva muri mwaka wa mbere bagana mwaka wa gatandatu kugira ngo bazasoze icyiciro cy'amashuri abanza. Dufite nanone abana barimo kurangiza mwaka wa gatandatu nubwo tugaraduwetinze batarakora ibizami, ariko twizeye yuko nubwo tubikoze twizeye neza ko bazatsinda, ko byamera ariko kose bazatsinda. Ubundi twakabaye tugaraduwetinga ari uko ibizami byarangiye, ariko twararebye dusanga bitari byiza, twaba tubaciye intege. So graduation tugomba kuyikora mbere y'igihe, mbere y'uko bakora ibizami. Guests of honor, our esteemed Chinese guests, I would just want to say Chinese because they don't know exactly whether you are from Britain or from German. That's why I said Chinese. We are happy to have you here. We are happy to be with you. Thank you so much for coming. It is my great pleasure and honor to welcome you to our annual graduation as we celebrate the achievement of primary 6 who are completing primary section and they are going for secondary. So we also want to reiterate and tell you that all these parents you see in front of you are very, very happy to be with you here. Thank you so much for coming. Nababwiraga ko tubishimiye, nta kindi gikorwa gikomeye ndaza kukibabwira inyuma gatoya. Igikorwa gikomeye cyabazanye nabo hano ndaza kukibabwira, ndaza kugikomozaho gatoya. So on behalf of the entire Kigali Infants Academy family, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our guest of honor and the distinguished delegation. Your presence today is a great honor to a testimony to the friendship and cooperation between our community of Kigali Infants and the entire community around here. So the parents you see around here are parents of these children, especially the P6s and the top class that are graduating today. We are happy that we are together. Education is the most effective when schools and families work together, and the gratefulness of the continued cooperation. Nivuga cooperation nanone mushobora kuza kubijyanisha n'impamvu bari hano. Kubona cooperation iri hagati yacu y'ikigo cyacu n'ikigo cyitwa Confucius Institute ikorera muri kaminuza y'u Rwanda. Uwo mugabo murebe imbere yanyu niwo uyiyobora, akayiyobora akorera muri ambasade y'Abashinwa.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Cyangwa, Chinese teacher. I would like just to speak in Chinese to give a welcome to Dr. Zengwai and your delegation. And I want again to present the children, and I would like before speaking to speak in Chinese so that some of you can listen how they speak Chinese. I want to give my speech in Chinese. 尊敬的中国代表团，院长，尊敬的中国代表团，各位老师们、家长和同学们、朋友们、高级官员。Rwanda faced its migratory powers. Rwanda faced genocide and massacres, and China also passed through the events of a problem where a lot of the countries around the world, including China, including European communities. Why is the examination? An examination that are designed for primary schools in Rwanda and secondary schools, where the children study Chinese and they pass the examination to create the future opportunities between China and Rwanda. Here is this moment, I deeply thank our lovely parents, Stephen. In Chinese is CD1. You can know the
for market. 我们中西感谢正怪一博士将中归我们学校。Deeply thank Dr. Zheng Guai for introducing Chinese language in our school. 我们衷心感谢张贝贝老师。We also deeply thank Bebe Lao Shi for teaching us Chinese language. 谢谢。Thank you for your kind attention.
Respected Principal Stephen and distinguished teachers and the parents, and most importantly, the brilliant graduates of the Kigali Infants Academy. Mom said, I couldn't speak Chinyarwanda as fluent as the Chinese teacher who can speak Chinese. So the only words like Malamutsi. And as introduced, I'm Dr. Zheng from Confucius Institute, the Chinese Language and Culture Center in Rwanda. And it's absolutely great honor to be here today to the great
aravuze ati rero arashimira abagraduatinze atari kavuga ikinyarwanda gike ntabwo yakivuga nk'uko mvuga igishinwa ariko arashimira.
To all the graduates, congratulations today.
Abantu mwese mwagraduatinze cyangwa mwashoje iki cyiciro cya mbere ati turabishimiye uyu munsi rwose mwakoze neza.
Today marks the end of a beautiful chapter and the beginning of an exciting new genre.
Ati uyu munsi rero mwatangiye mu rugendo rushya rw'ubuzima hari urwo murangije.
To Kigali Infants Academy, your love and dedication have brought your children to this.
Bakwiye kwibaza impamvu igishinwa.
Globally, Chinese is spoken by over 2 billion people, a quarter of the world's population.
Ati ku isi yose igishinwa kivugwa na miliyari 2 z'abantu ku isi hose.
It is the language of one of the world's most dynamic economics and a leading force in technology and innovation.
Ati ni ururimi rukoreshwa mu bukungu, mu ikoranabuhanga no mu dushya tw'isi ku isi.
But let's look closer to home, right here in Africa.
Ati reka twirebere hano iwacu muri Afurika.
Across the continent, learning Chinese is becoming a major trend.
Ati rwose kwiga ururimi ku mugabane wa Afurika ni ikintu rwose gishyizwe imbere.
The countries like South Africa, Kenya and Uganda have already taken significant steps to integrate the Chinese language into their national education system.
Wow, ngo ibihugu nka Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania na Afurika y'Epfo ni ibintu byafashe urwo rurimi birwinjiza mu burezi bwarwo kuko ari ingirakamaro.
Because they realize that China is Africa's largest trading partner.
Ati kuko bamenye ko Ubushinwa ari wo mufatanyabikorwa ucuruzanya na Afurika.
Here in the beautiful land Rwanda,
hano rero ku butaka bwiza bw'u Rwanda,
as the nation marches toward the Vision 2050,
nk'uko dufite icyerekezo 2050,
the tie between Rwanda and China in education, trade, and infrastructure are stronger than ever.
umubano uri hagati y'u Rwanda n'uburezi ibikorwa remezo mbese bigashyirwa ku rundi rwego.
In 2024, China became the largest source of foreign direct investment in Rwanda up to date.
Ati kuva 2024 Ubushinwa bwabaye umwe mu mfatanyabikorwa wacurujanye n'u Rwanda cyane kugeza n'uyu munsi.
Which accounts for 14% of all foreign capital.
Ati rwose 40% by'ibintu byose biva hanze n'ibyinjira byavuye mu Bushinwa n'u Rwanda.
And just in this month, June this year, China became Rwanda's largest export destination.
Wow. Ati rero mu kwezi kwashize kwa gatandatu u Rwanda n'Ubushinwa bwabaye abantu bagiye bohererezanya ibintu ku mpande zose byinshi cyane.
Accounting for more than 20% of all Rwanda exports.
Ati u Rwanda rwajyanye 20% y'ibicuruzwa.
And the Confucius Institute at the University of Rwanda is deeply committed to this partnership.
Ati rero Confucius Institute kigo gishinzwe uburezi mu Rwanda kikaba cyaragize uruhare mu gukomeza ubwo bufatanye.
Currently, Kigali Infant's Academy provides an outstanding foundation education.
Ati ubu rero Kigali Infant's Academy ikaba ifite umusingi w'uburezi cyane ushingiye kuri urwo rurimi aka kanya.
Your children are at the absolute perfect age to absorb new languages like a sponge.
Abana rero batoya nk'aba ngaba batangiye kwiga ururimi ati biba ari byiza cyane.
I encourage all parents here today to keep an open mind to this possibility.
Ati ndakangurira ababyeyi b'uyu munsi bari hano gufatirana ano mahirwe bakakangurira abana kuyafatirana.
By exposing your children to the Chinese language means opening a new massive window to the world for them.
Ati rero abana batoya barimo biga ururimi bizabafungurira imiryango myinshi kandi idasanzwe muri iyi si y'iki gihe.
Congratulations once again to the graduates of Kigali Infant's Academy. May your futures be as bright as your smiles today.
Ati rwose nongeye gushimira mbikuye ku mutima abana bashoje icyo cya mbere cy'amashuri ati bose muzagire ejo hazaza heza.
Murakoze cyane.谢谢.
Bukoze.